Fresh embryo transfer versus frozen embryo transfer, which is better? There is no standard answer for this. It is always individualized depending on the findings, case history, and the findings seen during the IVF cycle, in which we decide whether a frozen embryo transfer has to be done or a fresh transfer has to be done. When do we freeze embryos? When there are too many oocytes, estrogen is high, risk of OHSS, or progesterone is high, or the lining is not good. In such scenarios, we prefer freezing embryos, or if we are doing IVF, to pool embryos in women with low reserve, where they have less number of embryos. In such scenarios, freezing is decided before the IVF is started. In PCOD cases where follicles are too many, in such cases, freezing is decided ahead. In remaining other case scenarios, depending on the findings when the IVF stimulation is going on, when we pick up, when embryos are formed, then the decision is taken whether a fresh transfer or frozen transfer is to be done. Frozen embryo transfer has a better cycle control in women with problems with the line seen during stimulation. We can take more number of days to increase the lining. So frozen embryo transfer is preferred in such women. So it is not a blanket rule that fresh is better or frozen is better. It cannot be decided in that way. It has to be individualized according to individual profile of the couple.